This video, I'm going to show you how to automatically add mobile tag on Clockify. So if you want Clockify to automatically tag your time entries as mobile, this guide will walk you through the exact steps. So first, open Clockify app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Now once you're inside the app, tap on the menu icon, usually located at the top left corner of the screen. From there, tap on Settings. Now at the top, you have two sections, App and Workspace. Make sure you click on App. Scroll down until you find the option called Automatic Mobile Tag. So this option allows Clockify to automatically add a mobile tag to any time entry created from your phone. So to enable it, simply tap the toggle next to Automatic Mobile Tag. Once the toggle is turned on, the feature will be activated immediately. So from now on, every time you start a time entry using your mobile device, Clockify will automatically apply the mobile tag without you needing to select it manually. Now, this helps you easily track which entries were created from your phone versus other devices. If you ever want to turn this feature off, just go back to the same setting and toggle it off. And that's it. That's how you automatically add a mobile tag on Clockify. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped.